As you work your way through these videos, there are a number of different ways that you can get any questions you have answered. Now, there are several online Python and general programming forums that are particularly useful to not only Python developers but just developers in general. Pythonforum.io is a Python-specific online forum. StackOverflow.com is a general programming forum where people ask questions on all sorts of different topics, and there is a Python subcategory within the Stack Overflow website. There are also data science and artificial intelligence and other more specific sub-forums within Stack Overflow on many of the topics that we will discuss throughout our videos and books. And another one that you might find handy is at dreamingcode.net. They also have a Python-specific forum. Now, most of the different libraries that you're going to use throughout our videos and books are managed and maintained on github.com, and you're going to find on GitHub for most of those that there is an issues tab, and this is where people will not only post any problems that they encounter while using a given library, but often that's a good place to ask questions about that specific library as well.